What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the yours truly. Have a guess. Rule coders. That's us. Um, how you doing, Tori? You feeling good?
I'm feeling good, man. I just shaved.
Oh, nice and fresh and smooth.
Yeah, man. Exactly.
I like it. I
How
like it.
how are you, Zane?
I'm very good. Yeah, just finished work earlier on and came straight here. Been a very productive day. So yeah. Um, yeah, guys. So just a bit. Well, before giving a bit of a recap, let's go and do the acknowledgement of the country first. And here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to their elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. That was awesome. Yeah, so just a bit of a recap. So do you wanna go ahead and give us a bit of a recap, Tori, what we were up to yesterday? Because you saw everything as a viewer. You're as in one of the really dedicated participant and the viewer as well. So really appreciate you.
Absolutely. Yesterday, I think you guys were working on kind of debugging the default message handler, and with in that Lambda, and trying to basically get a response from the WebSocket after you connect to it. I think that's what
That's the
happened.
one. And that was, by the way, $1 million question,
Oh, really?
which you nailed it.
Oh
So
man, I'm rich.
that
That was easy. I thought it was way harder to get rich.
see, it's all about being a dev and answering these kind of easy questions. That always makes you a millionaire.
That is true. I did win a Fire Stick Lite from watching Paul
Ooh,
and Matt Cole's show on AWS, and then I answered a question before anybody else did.
that is fantastic. Check you out. As in getting freebies, man, and that's where all the knowledge comes
Yeah,
into play and it gets you free stuff. So well done.
pays to play, man. Pays to play.
Hmm. Hmm. By the way, very good shout out to their channel devs in the shed. Really amazing guys from AWS, and they do some really cool stuff. So if you're curious, definitely check them out. Cause personally, I've learned a lot from them. So yeah, they're really amazing experience and knowledgeable guys. Cool. So now that is done, let's share my screen. Do you want to code this time? Or
I can, sure.
okay, yeah. You can share your screen because you pretty much know the goal as well and the area of the code that we're doing. So it might be good idea for you to give a bit of magic touch of Tory,
you
and it might work.
mean
Who
you mean
knows?
you mean I might break? You mean I might break a bunch of stuff? Yeah. Let me.
Right. I'm gonna add your screen. There we go. Added.
Let me change the color here too.
Ooh, I like your VS
I'll
Code.
I'll
Look at
change
that.
this. I'll make it white. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Doesn't harm.
I like the dark, but it's gonna get dark here soon, so
Oh, okay,
it's
okay, I
gonna make
see.
it's gonna make me darker.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense, though.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know. Hope to get some better lighting situation later.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, true. Right. Um. Oh, hang on. So if you wanna, if we, yeah. So if we need anything from the AWS, actually,
mhm.
why not I give you access to the account as well? That'd be a good idea to start with. Root on user
You gonna send it through Slack or the chat?
through the Slack.
Okay, I'll stop
Yeah,
sharing my screen then for now.
yeah, yeah, for sure. Okay, there we go. Roll code is this one. Yep, that is the one.
Pop
Will it
open
work?
Slack.
Yes, it will. Sign in again. Right, it'll be a really quick one because all I need to do is
AWS.
um, add your email address and create a user for you. That is all. So, Tori L. Cool.
Huh.
Both access key and password as well. You can change the password by yourself. I'll give you the access. Do, 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 do. There we go. And user has been created.
Nice.
Okay, cool. So if you give me your email address or you want to Slack it, then I can just email you the entire thing.
All right, I'm gonna send it in Slack.
Yeah, cool.
Where's Zane? There's Zane.
Actually, have I got your email already? No, I don't.
There, I just sent it to you via Slack.
Perfect. Uh, Private message. There we go. Oh, Tory Litterfield. I like that. All right, and here you go. Your access is coming along, and then
Okay.
you can just change. You'll have to change your password upon login, but I've actually given you access to everything, so
Okay.
it's a lot easier for you now. Right, let's go.
Uh, did you guys happen to get a response from AWS yet?
Not yet because I think they normally take their time, and because it's also the start of the year, so they might the staff, the relevant staff might not have come back from the holiday period, so
Sure.
it's taking a bit longer. But yeah, I'm hopeful, very hopeful.
Okay. Hmm, make sure I save this. Signing in. Make
Yeah,
a pass.
when you're ready, you can share your screen.
Yep. And see if it signs in. Hmm, that's odd.
What's he
Oh,
saying?
it said the password will be provided by the administrator
What?
in the email I
Okay.
got.
Right, interesting. Okay, hang on a minute. Just give me a few seconds.
Sure, sure.
I need my users. IAM. Basically, what I'm gonna do is just create a password for you as well.
Yeah.
Initially, that'll be a quick one. Uh, Manage, keep existing, no. Auto generated password, yeah. Set password, yeah. Label, require password reset. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna send you the password in your Slack,
Okay.
and you can use that one.
All right.
And then you should be required to change it upon your first login. Hey, Gag Devs. I'm
Hey, guys.
actually trying to think of a really cool mm, nickname for you as well.
All right.
Have you
I'm
gone
in.
to the yeah?
Yep.
Fantastic.
All right. All right. Close that. I probably haven't updated my CLI in a while. I don't think it'll matter.
Okay. Right. It will matter
Will it?
because I have forgotten to give you your access key and secret key
Oh,
ID.
duh. Right.
Wow.
Okay.
Interesting,
Well,
Zane.
I'm gonna update the CLI while you're doing that.
Yeah. I need to. My brain has to come back from a holiday mode.
Sometimes you don't want to, man. You know.
Who wants to, isn't it?
Sniffers. Sniffers.
I want to be chilling in the beach.
Like Thanesh.
Oh yeah.
How's it going, Deck Dev?
Secrets. Create access key. Oh, no. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna give you this. So the first one is your key ID, and the second one is your access key. I mean, access. Secret access key.
All right, that's the one I definitely don't want to show on the screen.
No, 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 no. Never. Ever.
Oh, whatever. I'm
You.
not gonna install the stupid CLI is taking forever to install. I mean, it's not stupid. It's just taking a long time.
Oh, so you don't have a terminal?
I no, I do have. I no, I was gonna upgrade the AWS CLI. I think I'm on my
Do you
2.2.
really need to?
No, I just figured I
So,
might since I have the time. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm done.
okay, cool. Right.
What's the
Because I think all you need to do is put your credentials that I've just sent you in the credentials file of the
yeah?
hidden
What
folder of AWS, and that's basically it.
do you remember
You'll be good.
the CLI command for that?
It was AWS configure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Figure
Okay, what was the
access
access
key.
key that I sent you? EEID, so I would get rid of the one that you're not using.
Oh, but I have to switch, right? From
Switch what?
my from my AWS account, right?
Um, why don't you do it manually? As in, just type in cd in the terminal and then um, type in cd space dot
Hmm.
AWS.
Oh, okay. Hmm. CD dot AWS.
Cd space dot
Yeah.
AWS.
My directory is somewhere else.
Oh, right. Okay, never mind.
Let me try CD tilde.
You can try ls space -a, and that will show all the hidden folders as well.
What was it again?
ls space
Oh,
-a.
yeah, I'm in Bash.
Do you want to share your
I'll
screen?
have, sure, I can. Um, uh, okay, let me share the screen.
There you go. Yeah, they have your friends here.
All right, let's I, just make sure I don't open that Slack. Wait,
um, Probably you want to just quit Slack.
no, because I need it in a second to copy over these keys.
I know, but what I'm saying that you will need it once you open it, but we can try to open that one for you first, and then when it's open, then you can stop sharing it and do what you need to do.
Yeah, like
That's
okay,
easier,
it's
obviously.
fine. I'll leave it open. It's like it'll be okay. But
Dude, if I were you, I wouldn't take the risk. Because we actually have 2 million viewers at the moment watching, so
oh
you never
wow.
know. You
Okay, I'll
never
tell
know.
you what. I'll just make sure that I'm only sharing the VS Code window. There
Cool.
you go.
Yeah,
All right.
that would
So
be
if
cool.
I switch to my browser, you can't see it.
By the way, I'm already sharing your screen, so just so you know.
Okay. So
Okay,
I don't
right.
see an AWS file. It must be because of the directory I'm in. Like I'm in, what is it?
You're in. Okay, yeah, and now do ls. No. ls -a. Yeah, and go up. I just want to see all the hidden folders you have.
Yeah, you want to see all my hidden files, people? Yeah, here it is.
Yeah. Here we go. So just
Should I go
cd
in there?
dot that one, and then / as well.
It's not gonna show anything in here.
No, you won't.
Okay.
Okay, and now do ls
I've never live streamed worried about the
ls.
exposing keys. Yeah.
That's fine. Trust me. It won't show
Okay.
anything
Config.
you don't want to show now. Stop sharing your screen and
Mhm.
open up the credentials file
Okay.
by doing vi space
Oh, Vim.
credentials. Yeah, and then it will actually open up the file, and all your access key and secret key will be in there. And
Mm, Um.
make sure you stop sharing first. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop sharing.
Yeah. It's an it's an insult to all the character program. Come on.
It's an insult to my eyes too, honestly.
Yeah. It harms it a lot
I'm embarrassed. What do you want me to say? I'm embarrassed. Okay.
though. Tori's gonna have an even more caved back. Okay, Jack Dev, I'll just code.
To trust, yes. Okay.
Oh, instead of one of errors saying that.
Okay.
True. I'm full
Gotcha.
of errors. Making sense now?
Yeah, I remember this file. It's just been a while. All right.
Yeah.
So do I put?
Um. By the
Yeah, I don't.
way,
I
you
don't
can.
need to put the username, right? It's just like
Um.
for reference.
Okay. So all you need is um, access key and secret access
Yeah,
key, but what you can do is use different profiles as well.
yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
So the profile name is just for me, right? It doesn't matter. Like
Um,
AWS doesn't use it.
it does matter. Yeah, so say for example you have two accounts,
Yep,
and say one is your personal and one is your work, and if
yep.
you want to deploy something on your personal, not work, then you would have to explicitly say profile and then the profile name.
Yeah, I know that. I mean the name of
Okay.
the the name of the profile has nothing to do with my AWS account, right?
No, 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 it
Yeah, okay.
doesn't. Yeah.
All right. I am almost done then. Key ID and thought there was a CLI command to just do this for you instead of navigating.
There is one actually. If you do AWS configure, and then it asks you everything as well.
Oh, it asked me for my key though.
Yeah.
So
So
so I have to give the key in order to make.
yes, yes.
Uh, okay.
Because what that would do
Thought I was gonna
is,
override something. Gotcha.
I'm not entirely sure if it would override it. I could be wrong, but if I were you, I wouldn't take that risk.
Yeah, I set it manually now.
Okay, cool.
All
Yeah.
right. Let me see. Uh, how do you switch the profile? Is it
Where?
how do I switch my AWS profile?
No, where? In the
In the
terminal or
terminal.
in
In the
that
terminal.
file? Oh,
In the
you just whatever command and whatever you need to do. Right at the end, you do minus profile and then space the profile name.
Okay. Is there
Do
a
you know
way
what I
to,
mean?
I do like so you can use the flag. Is there a way to like set the profile for the terminal session?
That's a really good question.
I thought there
I'm gonna
was.
have a look into that. I don't know about that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually look
Because
that up.
I'm worried if I accidentally forget the flag for some reason.
Oh, by the way, if you have two accounts, which means two access keys in the credentials file, then AWS specifically asks you that which profile that you want to use, or it's got missing profile, and you need to explicitly mention
Okay.
it. Yeah,
Okay. So it won't deploy anything unless you put the profile.
hopefully not. Well, I mean, that's my experience. That until now, it hasn't really deployed anything unless I put the profile name in there.
Okay. If you want, I'll share my screen again.
Yeah, cool.
Stare at my white VS Code.
All right, just add your screen. Adding now.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Should
What
I?
are you trying to do here?
Huh? I'm not trying to do anything.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so we're actually starting the actual thing now.
Okay.
All right. No, I'm asking you. Are we?
This is the Scrumbler Sam
Yeah,
repo.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
and I
Okay.
think I'm on the WebSocket integration branch.
Okay. Do you want to do a git pull?
Yeah, I think I did, but I'll just do it again.
Not over there. You need to go in the repo first. You're in the AWS folder in the
Oh,
terminal.
thanks. Yeah, let me just kill this. I'm lazy. That's
That's all right, man. I know that feeling.
a shortcut. Okay. All right, it's good. I think.
Okay. Git pull perfect.
All right,
Right.
cool.
Just
All
a
right, what's next?
suggestion. Okay. I'll give you the suggestion first. Try to use terminal as much as you can. It's way faster than million clicks.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So do you want to run this?
Um, what's the command?
So do sam build.
Sam build. All right.
Yeah.
Just
Enter.
what? That's weird.
Oh no. Okay. You don't have sam
No,
installed.
I do have Sam.
Apparently, do ls. Yeah. You probably haven't got sam installed
I definitely have Sam
because
installed.
do sam space minus minus version. I think that's the command if I'm not wrong.
Probably would be. Huh.
Yeah, you definitely haven't got sam installed because if you had it, it wouldn't say sam command not found.
Yeah. Hmm. Maybe I only used it as a dependency before.
Right, I see.
But can you do that?
Yeah, you
I mean,
should be able to, as in, it shouldn't be too.
no. I mean, I would have thought I installed it globally.
Unless you didn't pull minus G flag, then it
Yeah.
wouldn't
I mean,
install it globally. Yeah, just run that.
install
Install,
Docker. Install Docker. Oh, does oh it has, I have to use Docker. Yeah, I think I remember. It's been a while for me. Oh, but it's only for local testing. But I did
no,
it.
you don't need Docker if you're deploying it online. You only need that if you're doing it locally.
Yep. That's so weird, though. I definitely have Sam installed, unless for
Just
some
to
reason.
install Sam's CLI, the first one. Okay, you're doing that already. Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, that's interesting.
I've definitely like worked the with Sam before. So,
But
but
did
it's
you use it in the terminal?
yeah. hmm
Hmm, that's very interesting.
That's how I knew about some of the commands, like verify the template.
Yeah, for sure, sure. Okay,
Yeah, I don't know.
that's really weird. That you, oh, you're using Windows.
Yeah,
I
mate.
just realized that.
You got anything to say about that?
It's amazing. You never want to convert to Mac. Macs are really slow, mate. Really, really slow.
Yeah, ever heard of a
Uh,
company called Microsoft?
nope.
Kind of big.
No. In which country is that? Okay, so we can focus on getting you up and running in this session.
Yeah, that's kind of
Mhm.
boring. Sorry.
No, no, it's
I mean, if you want,
giving me a
you
good
can just
practice.
you can do it, and then I can just do this in my spare time. I thought I already had Sam configured, so I thought it would just be a matter of getting the keys.
No, man, it's good practice for me as well because I'm actually kind of already working on troubleshooting skills. So practice makes perfect.
All right.
You can. What does Jack Tab say? I'm pretty sure he's talking about me.
You can write shit. Oh, sorry. you can, can write bad code on any OS. Wow. Slow.
Okay, that's almost done.
Um, what was I gonna say? Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, it's really interesting what I've observed that I've got to work on laptop or Windows and pretty
Huh?
much all the design interface and everything. Microsoft is trying to line up that with Apple.
Yeah, that's what people keep saying. I don't know.
Hmm.
Like with the new Windows 11.
Oh, okay. I haven't tried that one, but just laptop wise and everything.
Oh, what? You see, it's removing files. It must have already been installed. So weird.
I think you may be right that you might have installed it for that particular folder in which you were working on before, but not globally, which
Well,
is why.
based on this installer, it seems like you don't have a choice. Like you have to install it globally.
Ah,
You
right.
know, like I'm not. I would. Nobody in their right mind would go through this, just, just
For
to make.
for that
Like
folder.
I know I make mistakes, but I'm not gonna make this mistake. Like I'm already tired of watching this thing install.
Ah, but that's really interesting that it's removing things and then it's gonna install it. What?
I don't know. Hey, you're the .NET guy. You're the C# guy.
Yeah, I haven't used Sam with C Sharp until now, but I'm pretty sure I will very soon.
Ugh.
Oh yeah, one of the my vision for this project is that once the MVP is done, I might even undertake this project, but convert it into .NET Stack.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You sure? You're like, okay.
Oh yeah. Are you coding C? Yes, it's C sharp because that's what the coding test was in. So yes, and I'm still in my training,
It
so
can't be
that's
slow.
my.
Are you enjoying yourself, Gekta?
You can see how bored he is at the moment watching the
just
screen that is
just
asking
just
questions,
just lay on the
generic questions.
insults. It's okay.
Come
Uh,
on, dude. Come on.
well, since this thing is wow, yeah, like
Can't be
um,
slower than this.
you
Yeah.
sure you don't want to just switch over and you just work on
I
it?
think I might do that because
Yeah, this is
um
it
oh, here
finished.
we go.
It's
You
like,
should
oh,
have
okay, it's talking
you
about me.
should have said that earlier, man. Sam.
Let me try to reopen the terminal. Oh, why?
Jack Dev's
All right,
asking
go
change your
for it.
theme, please.
Yeah, but then my screen will be so dark, you won't be able to see me.
Oh, right.
Um,
Now I get what you mean.
yeah, that's the
All
lighting
right.
situation. Let's just go over
Okay.
to you. I'm gonna troubleshoot this another time.
All right. Cool. Let's
Sorry,
switch
man.
over then. No, no, that's not your fault, mate.
I probably already had Sam installed. I just need to do. Is it eight?
Right. Okay. Cool. So terminal studio space. Okay, there we go. And
There's a frog. It's going crazy.
cat. Actually, what was that again? I need to do a git pull, don't I?
Too bright. Get a lamp. Change your theme, please. What a demanding audience.
Hey, come on, man. If audience are not here, we wouldn't be here either, right?
Yeah, I mean,
So,
totally.
this cat. Okay, give me the URL now. See how efficient our Macs.
Huh?
See how efficient our Macs.
Yeah. Okay. 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 If work gives me a Mac, I'll use it. I won't complain. If they give me a Mac, great. Whatever. I don't care. Give me a Mac. Otherwise, I don't care. I'm not getting a Mac.
I love your passion, man. At the moment, honestly, it's just off the roof.
Oh
Come
man,
on, dude. Not this one. I don't need this one.
this is gonna be
Alright.
the most boring episode.
No, no, we'll get back on track. Don't you worry, my guy. Don't you
I'm
worry.
I'm not worried.
This is a part of fun.
I'm worried
As
that
in,
that Gekdev is gonna get angry.
I think he's about to come off the edge as well. He might be saying, "Get some work done already."
Yeah, my interview is next week on
Come
the
on,
12th.
I can't. Oh, sorry about that. Continue.
Gekdev is asking if this is a 2-hour special, and he says to make up for the Bright VS Code installing software nonsense. Yeah, I mean, I wish you like, I wish I just did it ahead of time.
For the we needed the information. Actually, Tori,
Yeah.
after the stream, we need to discuss something as well.
Okay.
As it, so stay tuned in
All right.
because it's something really exciting.
Oh, all right. Sounds cool.
Right. Where's my WebSocket? Yeah, there we go. And that's my stages prod. Sorry, I forgot to quit my emails and my that one. That is not good saying. Not good. Okay, get connected. Yeah, that's obvious it would. But this is the big part. Action, message. No, not message. Default. Terminal server error. Okay, what does cloud fr- watch show us?
Oh, I do
Mm.
have Sam installed. I did have Sam installed. There's some issue with like the VS Code terminal on Windows and Sam. You need to like set a path variable or something, at least according to some other people who had similar problems.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Those extra steps in Windows, huh?
I don't know what you're talking about. You're telling me you don't
Okay.
have to do that?
No, I didn't have to do that. All I did was do install SAM and it just worked straight away.
Yeah.
I didn't have to do all the extra steps that you need to do in the famous company software or Microsoft. I'm really curious what does this mean? As I've already been there, so that's not really gonna work. I just really should go resolve by adding a method response to 100. So that's coming from the API gateway. Method response. This is my method response setup. Okay, cool. So we need to do something similar to this. Right, so if we go down to API gateway, where was there an API gateway? Yes, an API gateway. And we go and add those responses, stage, method response 200, add header, go there. Let's see if this would give us what we want. Access control allow origin. Um, that's the same as that. Access control, uh, control allow origin. Okay, and we do a response model. Oh, we need to add a model as well, right? We didn't have that. Ah, now that's kind of making sense. Empty model and content type JSON, and this one would be empty one. And application slash JSON. Okay, and then what we need to do. I'll probably explain everything afterwards
Yeah.
once this starts working.
No worries.
Because no point of me explaining it and it doesn't work then.
No worries, man. I'm looking at code anyways.
Okay, cool. That's fine. Okay, add my response model, JSON, and then empty response. Cool. Empty model. Okay, let's deploy it and
That's
see
interesting.
what this has. What's interesting?
Any GecDev says this is like cores all over again. The lambda is failing. 500 error. Any anyway, why are you click opsing in the models when you are using SAM? Those are a few separate comments.
I'll probably have to have a look at that. So, there's like
Seems
yes.
upset.
Why are you clicking
such as
model?
such
So
we
I'm
got
just
we got
following.
sniffed.
I always get sniffed by Hector. Always get sniffed. So I'm just following this guy because he experienced the same thing, and apparently what the solution is that we need to add a response method. Method response 200, which I just did.
Hmm.
So I'm just following this guy. I don't even know if it would work or why it would work if it would work. So yeah.
Stage.
So let's
Sync
do
stage.
that again.
Request access.
API that one.
Sync data. Data.
Yeah. And then if I do no, not message. Before, come on baby, come on, work for me. Okay, never mind. Since I had this similar issue with Solus framework, you can simply follow below step, resolve my issue, find your API, click on map response, add method 200 response, save it, test it. I just did that.
Get that.
What did it say now?
he said he said basically he said since since you follow anything you read in there, he's gonna send you a Stack Overflow link to install a Bitcoin miner. I'm assuming for AWS. I think it would, yeah, like like a
Oh,
bot,
okay, I see what you mean.
yeah,
Yeah.
like malicious, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah,
He
right.
he asked what
Learned my
happened
lesson.
said what happened to reading the CloudWatch logs.
So in that one, it's actually saying this, as in no match for output mapping and no default output mapping configured. So I'm just trying to find
Huh?
where is this happening.
No
And
match.
this is, by the way, coming from the API, not from the Lambda, apparently. API gateway.
Is the Lambda erroring too?
That's probably not being triggered because
Oh,
Lambda is behind API gateway. So API
so
gateway,
it's not even executing the Lambda.
no, because the API gateway, once the request passes, then it would access the Lambda, but request isn't passing the API at the moment.
Gotcha. What's can you show me the error again? I'll search for it, Zane.
It's just internal server error.
No, I mean the one in the CloudWatch
Oh
log.
yeah, it's no match. I'll copy and paste into private chat.
Okay,
Can
thanks.
get it from there. Yeah, I learned my lesson. Thanks, Gagdev. Don't just follow anything you read. Read first and check if it's relevant and if it even makes sense. Gotcha. API gateway. Gateway. Microservices. No, no. Integration response not created. API gateway execution for yeah. Execution journal currently logged displays do so run.
Um, Gektev asks if does that API gateway endpoint have cores?
I'll have to check. Hang on a minute. Yes, it has calls, so it's enabled. Oh, hang on a minute. If that's a full SQ, okay, yeah, that's fine. Ignore me. And yes, it's got calls enabled. Integration responses. And
GecDev says any equals every method. If you do that, you need to explicitly handle cores in code.
right. I think we already are in Express, but not in the WebSocket Lambda. So here's our course options in Express
Uh,
app.
GecDev says any equals get, post, put, delete,
Yeah,
slash options.
yeah, true. So what would this have to do with um the WebSocket, as in the Lambda then that needs to be triggered by the WebSocket? Any modifications? Any change to mapping templates?
GecDev says just use post and get if you need it, not any. Then add cores. API gateway can handle cores options for you.
Right. So just use post and not any in the
Yeah,
API gateway.
that's what he said.
Okay, and not any. Okay, so let's try
Or
that.
have cores or have code handle options like your Express app.
So hang on a minute. I'll
I
probably
guess
have
he's
to
saying you have two choices here.
then add cores. No, okay. Or have layers. Okay, can add cores and options for you. Oh, so correct me if I'm wrong. That basically this is happening because we are handling calls on both sides, as in the app and from API gateway. So, but they need to be added on one side. So
He
either
said you're wrong. that's, there's no explanation. That's not.
can we have some explanation, please, Gav?
Just
You're wrong. There you go.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh man.
uh, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight properly.
He said all APIs on the server need to handle cores if they are called from a browser.
Okay, yeah, that would be understandable, including your crappy.
In separate
Yeah.
WebSocket API.
So basically, if we are doing it from the terminal,
Terminal, yeah.
it doesn't need to handle calls because it's from the terminal. But if it's from the browser, then we need to make sure calls in it. Am I right?
Node
Of
and
course
terminal,
not.
they don't care. Yeah.
Yeah.
The browser is what handles cores for
Yeah.
the client, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know that much about cores, but
Me neither.
I think I've done it. I've set up like an Express app
WebSocket.
once.
Mm-hmm. WebSocket has been called from the browser though.
The WebSocket is being called from the browser.
Yes, that's the ultimate goal. That we're gonna call the WebSocket from the browser. We then connect is from the browser. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Agree. uh, there's one time gonna come when Gagdev says, "I know I don't need you to agree with me. I know I'm right."
The connect is from the browser.
Oh, hang on. How about if we do what we are trying to do at the moment from the browser, not the terminal?
You mean the web app?
Taiwan. Your endpoint thing, the Pi
Oh, whatever. Yeah.
endpoint. I'm thinking that because that's gonna be from the browser. Oh, wow, these are brand new concepts, man. All right, let's try that one out.
What I
How
don't
about
understand is why the. I mean, I saw other um, tutorials like the documentation setting up the chat app like pretty quickly
yeah?
with the terminal app.
Right, but when they were um
I mean, but
gonna
yeah, you have a
send,
different backend and stuff. So
yeah.
gotcha.
Oh, okay. To be honest, I'm gonna go to sleep a bit late.
Fried.
I've I've had it enough. I'm
You've had
trying
enough
to
of
get this
WebSocket.
working. Yeah, I've had it enough. Being stuck on this point. It's been what,
Couple days,
a
yeah.
week now?
Couple, yeah.
Yeah, that's no happening on my watch. All right, I'll work on this one.
Sorry, Zane.
Why are you being sorry for?
You look stressed.
I don't
Your
ever get
hair's
stressed.
all. I don't get stressed.
You How's it now?
Oh yeah, looks. You don't look
Yeah.
stressed at all now.
uh, you need a haircut. Yep, I will go and get one
I
as
need a
soon as I
haircut.
get paid. Jack Dev, go to same
You
barber as Kartik.
you need to get paid to see the barber.
Yeah,
Wow,
I'm
engineering
broke.
license. They don't pay you much.
It does. You
you should
might
you should
want to think about the
get Pizza
Pizza
Hut.
Hut career.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably get a few haircuts a week on that salary.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Right, guys. Thanks for
Cool.
tuning in. I think it's tourist time to pay attention to doggy dog now. um, yeah, guys, it's been a pleasure having you all. I will be working on this problem more. Hopefully, get it sorted before Monday because it's just taken a bit too long. I wasn't really expecting this many days on this project, but yeah, it's looking very very close. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Why are you doing WebSockets at all? Yes, yeah, Dev. So it's needed because we want the board to be interacted by multiple users simultaneously. So that is the reason why it needs to be included in the MVP for sure. Just pull an app.
Pull an API. Don't need WebSockets.
Wow. Okay. No.
I didn't know that.
No. So wow. Okay. Um. Don't need WebSocket same functionality. All right.
Is may I ask Ekdev, is it a WebSockets is overkill? Oh, okay. Wow.
Why is it overkill? I'm really curious because I thought this was the
I'm
best solution
yeah,
for
I'm
this.
learning. Watch him. He's not gonna answer.
I knew it's gonna come up with something really unique.
Polling is simple. It could be done 2 weeks ago. Really? Well, I
Right.
learned something
Okay.
because I would have gone with the WebSockets like right away.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So WebSockets first. I'm gonna make sure that that's working maximum by Monday, and then once this part is done, we're gonna back after the MVP. We're gonna go back to polling and learn that one as well. Just yeah, cool. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, Jagdeep, for all the very valuable tips. Really appreciate you guiding us as well. And yeah, tune in back in tomorrow, guys, to see the continual episode in which we try our best to make this part working with WebSocket. So yeah, it will be same place, same time, and
Same task.
there we go. Have a good night, guys. Cheers. Bye.
Have a good night. Thanks.